General. Started to develop in industrial services since 2011, Cat Insulation Technical Joint Stock Company (BCC), a Vietnam and Sweden joint venture operating in a wide range of industrial insulation, scaffolding, painting, fireproofing, refractory services. Over 5 years of development, Cat has become one of Vietnam's leading insulation specialists and served for hundreds of clients with many projects from offshore to onshore, in brewery and food technology, cement plants, thermal power plants, oil and gas, both in Vietnam and overseas. As a result, we've gotten high evaluation from clients and obtained ISO OSAS. Up to now, our warehouse has been extended approximately 3 times and a new branch in Sweden is ongoing. To recognize changing demands of the industrial sector day by day, Cat utilizes leading technology, advanced materials, and methods to conform to technical specification and project requirements. Our work is performed by highly trained and qualified tradesmen. We have the knowledge and experience to build a project the right way from the small but important features and provide a cost-effective, safe, and quality work without any defect at all. For installation, a full-service mechanical insulation system that shall conserve energy, regulate temps, control condensation, and ensure personal safety for your employees. We consult, design, and execute the installation with diverse scope of pipe work, valves, flanges, fittings, tanks, vessels, equipments for easy maintenance and inspection. With a wide range of materials such as mineral wool, glass wool, ceramic fiber, calcium silicate, plate, PIR, PUR, cellular glass, Amaflex, and skilled cladding fabrication of sheet metal and fiberglass cloth, we will help you to get less 10 to 15% heat loss than usual. The temperature up to 1260 degrees centigrade or down to minus 200 degrees centigrade, high corrosion media, harsh working environments. All these components will be insulated to prevent noise, CUI, and let their temperature return exactly at place where it must be. For scaffolding, tube and feeding scaffold BS1139/EN74 is ideal for optimum solution in terms of the highest safety and different requirements, regardless of height, confined working space, or in offshore marine sector to ensure easy access and load bearing. Our experienced and trained workforce will help you save time and money. Cat can design, draw, calculate, and make method statements of scaffolding prior to execution by qualified engineers and professional software. We erect, inspect, and dismantle by strictly controlled procedures comply with international standard EN74. For painting, lining, proper surface preparation is critical to the success and longevity of our projects. To be better in protecting the environment, we'll limit to use conventional blasting method like dry and wet blasting. Instead of this, we apply advanced technique with vapor abrasive blasting, which efficiently combines water and different types of abrasive media that can offer all blasting levels from normal to SA 2.5, make that suppression up to 97% and waste less materials. High volume spray painting performance, single and plural, is preferable in all painting projects regardless of thickness. Concurrently, traditional brush and roller techniques are sometimes utilized if needed. All kinds of extremely corrosive acidic media or offshore marine field with high and fluctuating temperature will be completely treated by specific and typical types of paints like flake lightning, rubber lightning. Other traditional paints from well-known suppliers such as International Paints, Jotun, copper line, Nippon are also applied. Up to 3,000 micron multi-layers performed and controlled by skilled painters and professional measuring equipments, procedures, TSR. For refractory, in blackout services, we repair and replace strong, durable refractory systems in all types of high temperature and materials, including brickwork, shotcrete, refractory castables, and ceramic fiber for furnace facilities and boilers to strictly cash schedule of shutdown time for fireproofing. Intumescent, cementitious fireproofing and PLP jacket system are applied to serve to contain a fire or slow the spread. They are specialized in oil, gas, marine, or offshore sectors. When exposed to fire, the fireproofing layer swells and expands to create a passive barrier to fire. Blackout is a qualified applicator for Thermolac 3000 and Pyro Grade 241 copper line should take an intercoat, Fenderlite, P-Char, Jody-Char, Takelit S100. PFP jacket system AIS-IFA is required to protect for ESDV valve, riser hang-off, piping system, and equipment. It's very thin, light, easy for handling and installing, as well as meeting regulation of weight handling in offshore sector. Besides matching our requirements of products and services, we also develop and focus on management systems of quality, health, safety, and environment. Our strategy: to become a long-term supplier of major clients in the world as well as to widen overseas market by committing to keep improving quality, applying new advanced materials and technology in our services, to enhance knowledge in our services and provide a change of consulting, designing, and manufacturing in order to quit from simple process and installation and increasing surplus value for the services. Come to Black Cat, you will be served with the highest safety and quality, effective cost and sustainable value. Our final goal of the development is to improve and increase customer satisfaction. Black Cat, we build quality, safety, and happiness.